Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma visited Tura Civil Hospital yesterday to review the ongoing renovation of its infrastructure and facilities. During his visit, he discussed the progress of the renovation with the hospital management, which are an outcome of the previous meeting where the urgent need for renovations and new facilities were discussed. The Chief Minister also took the opportunity to meet patients who had undergone surgery at the newly installed cath lab. He congratulated the management and the team of doctors involved in the critical heart surgeries.
Already seeing the benefit of this cath lab here. I'm happy, and this is part of the renovation and the upgradation of the civil hospitals that we have undertaken in different parts of the state, and work is going on in full swing here in Civil Hospital Tura, at the same time in Civil Hospital in July, and like that we will keep taking up the work in different parts of the state.
The returning officer of Shillong Parliamentary